What's up guys? Today I'm sharing my daily cleaning routine as a working mom. It's definitely been a struggle trying to keep a clean home while working from home and entertaining a toddler. So if you are also having a hard time trying to balance it all, make sure to stay to the end of the video to see what I clean on a daily basis in between getting work done and keeping a toddler busy other than screen time. One positive thing about working from home is the fact that it does allow me to keep up with laundry. So I'm making sure to get at least one load folded, and I do have another one in the washer at the moment. So while Riley is playing and watching TV, this is my chance to get everything folded and put away. When I was going into the office, I definitely made it a point to make my bed every single morning. I find that it helps kind of set the tone of my day, but now that it's more of a relaxed kind of working vibe, I am able to make my bed a little bit later on in the day. I've been trying to keep a routine for Riley, so in the morning she gets a lot more kind of like screen time and TV time, and this allows me to get a lot of stuff done, whether it's work, conference calls, or putting stuff away. But then in the afternoon, maybe right before her nap time, we typically do some type of craft or some type of activity that will keep her active. And then when she gets up in the afternoon, we do like to either go for a walk or play in the backyard, just keeping her up and active and moving.
No way, but no, you didn't even see me gaze yesterday. Feeling every day like I'm going insane. Cause you and I are something I wish for every day. So I hope you look my way, but yeah, she didn't even see me gaze yesterday. Cause I know I am nobody to you, and it feels just like you want me to go now. But I hope you slow it down, hope you slow it down. Cause what I really need is your time. So will you like me like that? Just like that. Like me like that. Just like that. Like me like that.
By now, screen time is over and now it's more free play. So me and Riley had actually made this DIY slime recipe, which I did share on my Instagram. So I will leave that linked down below for you guys in case you are interested. And this allows me to clean up the kitchen a bit. And guys, her playing with this slime literally will keep her busy for at least about 30 to 45 minutes.
I don't even know what I can
than focus on the negative, like not being able to really go outside or visit the stores like you normally would, I would really love it if everybody commented something that they are grateful for, because I am a firm believer that I feel like these are the times that we need to make it a point to focus on the things that we're grateful for. Like, I'm so thankful that I have a job that allows me to work from home, because there are so many people out there who aren't working just because they aren't able to work from home. I'm also grateful that I have a roof over my head and that we are all healthy. So I'm pretty sure if you really thought about it, there's something that you are grateful for, and I would love it if you shared it below.
What I really need is your time, so will you like me like that? Will you like me like that? Just like that, just like that. Like me like that, like me like that. Just like that, just like that, just like that. Like me like that. No, just like that. No, like me like that. Wait a second, I don't need you. Then why so settled? I miswithdrew. Still it feels just like I'm waiting for something better. Wait a second, I wanna stay up late with my heart in your head. Maybe stay too much, cause you don't understand. You got me gone. You don't.
To cut back on passing around the spreading of germs, I'm going around and wiping all of the knobs off with disinfectant wipes.
When you way too humble, might be overzealous, getting you in trouble. Cause I'm a little bit unsteady, even a little bit mad. Might be a disaster, or just the best you've ever had. Or just the best you've ever had. Cause I'm a little bit unsteady, even a little bit mad. Might be a disaster. When I'm with you, I feel different, like I'm brand new, less ignoring. Still it feels just like I'm waiting for something better.
And in between trying to get all of the cleaning done, I am also working at the same time. So I do like to make sure I keep my laptop around me at all times. So in case there are any emergency emails that come in, or if I have a conference call, I'm still able to get stuff done while also working.
You got me gone. But sometimes I might be a bit selfish. When you're way too humble, might be overzealous, getting you in trouble. Cause I'm a little bit unsteady, even a little bit mad. Might be a disaster, or just the best you've ever had. Or just the best you've ever had. Or just the best you've ever had. Or just the best you've ever had.
I would love to know if you are the type who will clean up throughout the day, or do you wait until the very end of the day and then just do one large cleanup? For me personally, I always find that quick little tidy ups here and there just work for me so much better, because honestly, at the end of the day, sometimes I am just so tired that I don't feel bad if I don't do a cleanup at the end of the night, because I have been picking up throughout the day.
Got your letter, guess this is better. You win sometimes, lose sometimes, no need to apologize. It was the distance we had between us. You broke us down in disguise, no need to apologize. Ooh, 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 ooh. But I can't help that I miss you now, and I need to reminisce this, cause ooh, ooh, ooh. coming back to me. I can't help that I miss you now. I can't help that I miss you now. Can't say I like it, but I can fight it. Some things are not meant to be, even if it's hard to see. I'll try to let go. It's not easy, you know.
Banging out my second load of laundry for the day. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you are cleaning along with me, and let me know down in the comments what you're tackling today off your to-do list.
And I need to reminisce this, cause we're still at our moments and they keep coming back to me. I can't help that I miss you now. I can't help that I miss you now.
By this time I am off from work and I finally have enough dishes loaded in the dishwasher so I can let that run. And then earlier on in the day I did finally get a chance to wash my makeup brushes. This is something that I struggle with to keep up, so I made it a point that I was going to get this done.
make it easy for you now.